At BizLibrary, we know that effective leaders are key to your organization's success. Unfortunately, most people don't get the training they need to perform at their best. Enter BizAcademy, a premium content offering designed to give your leaders the skills they need to excel within your company. BizAcademy provides your leaders, new managers, and high potentials with expert-led, cohort-based virtual learning experiences with BizLibrary's experts, all delivered in the BizLibrary platform for a cohesive learning experience. Set your new managers up for success from day one with new manager fundamentals and inspire them to take their teams to the next level with leadership essentials. Give your high potentials, seasoned leaders, and rookie managers an edge with immersive academies on remote and hybrid leadership, empowering women in the workplace, executive leadership, and more. With a mix of live sessions led by industry experts, on-demand content, and real-time coaching, your leaders will get to put what they learn into practice right away, gaining the expertise they need to inspire their teams and drive a culture of growth and development at your organization. Are you ready to invest in the future of your organization with BizAcademy?